I love All-Clad. I have their frying pan and their deep 4-quart pan, and this is the 3-quart pot, and it is just as amazing. In this video, I'm going to go over why I love All-Clad so much and why I switched to it. Now let's get into it. Now the main thing is this is stainless steel. It is exceptionally durable. I've had this for over a decade and I have really used and abused it, and you can always make it look like new with a good scrub with steel wool or often just baking soda on a sponge if there's any damage or any wear and tear. Now the next part I love is that the bottom is not just some thin piece of stainless steel. It actually has multiple layers in there, and that gives you an even cooking. For instance, if I'm cooking up rice and it comes to a boil, in some of my pans I might get rice stuck to the side on one part because it goes too hot in that part. In this pan, it's all or nothing. So if I screw up, yes, I can burn my rice, but it will be an even burn. And if I keep it correct temperature, it will evenly not burn. I also use this for things like adding butter to green beans or tossing my pasta after I've cooked it, and it will keep that even as well. So while it is a pot and that even cooking is not as important as it is in a frying pan, it is still powerful. Then it has these incredible handles. They are exceptionally welded on. They are not going anywhere, and they feel really, really good. This one is very long, so it can be far away from the heat and stay cool. And because this pan is a bit heavier, it's really nice that All-Clad has this handle right here for easy pouring and tipping and carrying around. You have two handles, and they never get hot for me. I know if I ran, if I had a flame right on this, it would get hot. But for the most part, I have no problem grabbing onto these when I'm cooking normal meals. Now it also comes with an excellent lid. Again, the handle is very well attached. It is not some screw that comes undone and comes loose on you. These are welded on. It's not going anywhere. It feels really good in your hand, and it has this nice little indentation, and it goes on very cleanly, and thanks to the weight of it and how well it attaches, it has very little leakage. It is a solid seal, meaning your rice is going to cook beautifully in this. You have full control. Another thing that's great about stainless steel is you can stick this in your oven. So if you were baking something, you can use this All-Clad pot to bake. So if you are looking for a pot that will be with you for life, I cannot recommend All-Clad enough. You will love this forever.